Here's how to easily create color and gradient background in Photoshop. So this is my project. Now I'm clicking on this foreground color box and selecting a color for my background and clicking on OK. Now from the tool panel, you have to select the paint bucket tool and click anywhere on your project, and your color background will apply just like this. And now let's see how to add gradient background. From tool panel, select this gradient tool. Here, make sure to select gradient and click on this gradient drop down. Here you will find a bunch of different gradient preset. You can select any of them. Once you select it, now just draw a gradient background just like this. You can also rotate your gradient, or you can draw the gradient from a different angle. To change your gradient color, just click any of this gradient color box, double click and select a different color. And that's how you can actually add color and gradient background in Photoshop.